Magandang umaga mga kapuso! More than just an average fashion designer ika nga. Aba, kakaibang work of art pagdating sa fashion ang bibida nitong proud Filipina kung saan ang kanyang estilo at personalidad umano ang nagbigay kulay sa mga gawa niyang disenyo. Kilala siya internationally dahil sa kanyang kakaibang fashion masterpieces. Let's all meet Stephanie Dacalus. Steffi, welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka this morning?
Kumusta naman? I think I would prefer na you would call me Stephanie Dacalus. Good morning mga kapuso!
Alright, Steffi, nakaka-inspire talaga ang achievement mo being a sustainable fashion designer. Ano ang masasabi mo rito?
Actually, I think I got on the right foot. Kasi if you would say or mention fashion designer, a lot of them would go on the route na, alam mo na, yung casual, the typical fabric. So when I joined that Miss Universe 2016 ancillary show, that's when I opened my eyes. I mean, we are rich in culture, and with that, marami tayong indigenous fabric. So I want to make use of it.
Steffi, paano mo ba nalaman na may high interest ka sa fashion at paano mo ito na i-develop?
So no turning back, no plan B. So I set my eyes on it. It's more of like, kasi during that time, hindi kami maka-afford ng Barbie. So from there, I'm starting to like make my own doll, cut out paper dolls. So from there, parang nag-evolve siya. And then I borrowed a friend's Barbie and then make use of the used socks and make a outfit na more of like ingenuity lang. Even though mas maganda pa yung sa Barbie, but then again, there's a sense of fulfillment because knowing that I was able to make something out from the used socks.
Steffi, nakakamangha talaga dahil ang iilan sa iyong mga obra o creations ay na-feature noong 2017 Miss Universe pageant dito sa Pilipinas. Kumusta ba ang experience na ito?
It was during that time, I started with corporate uniforms. But then again, over time, parang I felt like I'm being trapped, restrained. Kasi I don't think naman, if you're going to go on the corporate uniform route, you can't go all out, di ba? So corporate uniform has to be like wearable, adhere to kung ano yung gusto ng company. So from there, parang I wiggled my way out. Wherein like, I want to try this type of fashion na ito yung gusto ko. So from there, they asked double designers to submit these designs, and then from there, nakuha naman ako. Pero, you know, medyo restrained lang yun. It's because I've done it for more of like 3 days lang.
Steffi, di ka talaga basta-basta dahil you were able to dress the likes of fashionista, actress, social media influencer, heart evangelista. Kwentuhan mo naman kami, ano ang backstory nito?
Actually, I always receive a invitation sa isang high-end specialty store chains. So, choose ko lang where I want to go. Kasi hindi naman lahat beneficial sa aking business. And for me as an entrepreneur, kasi it's a waste of time, you have to go there, prep and everything. And then when I received that invitation, bearing her name in a picture, doon sa camiseta capsule collection niya, parang it's too good to be true. So I called up the manager, which is, I personally know her. Is heart really coming? Kasi she is my fashion icon dito eh. And then when she said yes, hindi ako nagdalawang isip na. It's because 2 days after that is my house blessing. So kaya nga, I called her up just to know kung darating siya. So sabi niya, she is coming. So I made a very ambitious design na overnight cut-out blazer. So I have to make impression. So that's my way of parang mag-gravitate sa akin. Kasi yan ang ano ko eh. Whenever I go somewhere, I think special na beneficial sa career ko, doon ako nagpapagitang gilas eh. The way, ensemble, everything. So I have to wear my own.
Di na rin basta-basta ang mga experiences mo, Steffi, dahil na rin sa unique style sa fashion designing mo na pang-international level talaga. Can you please share to us kung ano-anong mga countries na ba ang napuntahan mo showcasing your best fashion masterpieces?
First, Canada, after dun sa ancillary sa Miss Universe 2016, 2017, it opened doors for me. Philippine represent. So I have like And then from there, I went back to Canada and then India as well for the leather expo. Kasi I do bags and shoes as well eh. Lahat na ginawa ko eh, headband, bag twillies and necktie. So pretty much everything. So including shoes. And then the recent trip I have was this March lang. Orange County Fashion Week sa California. My client from Sweden, she's a project manager for this particular show sa Orange County Fashion Week, said to me, I have good news for you. I'm going to let you under my wing as a designer from the Philippines. Yun na.
Nako Steffi, napag-alaman namin and I believe na isa sa mga unforgettable experiences mo ay ang trip mo sa Amerika na naging way para ma-meet mo ang mga amazing personalities na talagang pangarap ng karamihan and you were able to achieve it. How does it feel?
Siguro, I have this mantra na 40 or bust. If I can't make it when I was age 40 na, I don't know what I'm going to do. So this time, I have to dapat alam ko kung when to stop, you know? And then from there, siguro more like lahat ng tao na beneficial to catapult my career on, you know, going mainstream and hopefully mainstream, penetrating my American, so-called American dream, is na-met ko sila on this trip.
Maraming salamat, Stephanie Dacalus, sa oras na iyong ibinigay dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. More power sa iyo and ingat palagi.
Okay, thanks for having me and I'm going to see you at Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.